Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Kadai ka College Babatam na banta ka Jingpuli Nursing, but Paramedical Course, Hospital Training, Knio Scholarship but 6% ka kam, Haki Hospital Bahedo ha India but Shabari. Na banta ka Jingpuli, ka Jingsiyo ka Baret, but Pila Banlet Puli, da ka Education Loan, Pila Ruban Chukol hau number, Kandai Nyo, Sao Sao, San Rio Pranon, Lani, Kandai Pran Rio Laisan, Pan Riway Kandai Pran. Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpanyutarek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Banle Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol Hau number 90890-97907.
Ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai, Lingba ka National Service Scheme Unit, Kalapalong ka Jingalang, Ben Prasha di Duma, ne ka World No Tobacco Day 2023. Halor kapang Mai Meghalaya Tobacco Free Meghalaya. Hakani ka Jingalang la sakhilang do principal jang college u Dr. DG Lingdo, bat ya ka Jing Batay banya, halor ka Jingma jong Uduma, la ai da riu sampang ka Dr. BT Hinge, Ayurvedic, kabalong ka physician jong ka Jowai Civil Hospital.
This year we have a theme which says that we need food, not tobacco. So one of the main reasons is because of the heavy consumption or uses of tobacco, which has been causing around not only our health, but it also has causing us economically. Tobacco-free Meghalaya, in which the government of Meghalaya also has taken up the steps in order to be part of the celebration or the observation of the World Tobacco Day, to create awareness to the public, to the communities, to the students, and each and everyone, because as we all know that consumption of tobacco has led us to many types of disease or cancer. And in today's program we are also very happy that we are having with us our resource person who will enlighten us on this topic.
Scientific name is Nicotiana tobacco, and this plant is planted first for what? Everything is planted first for good thing only. It was planted first for the purpose of medicinal plants, like for helping the patients, especially they use it for painkiller and also as a stimulant, etc. But later, tobacco is turned into a cigar or a cigarette, and from that time it has been used in a different way, no more in a medicinal way. So when cigar or cigarette and other tobacco products came, we can see a lot of tobacco products like Kaini, Raja, and all those small package or sachets which we can have in the market, which contains tobacco. So what is there in this tobacco which made it so dangerous? In tobacco or in cigar or in any tobacco product, there is a drug named nicotine, N-I-C-O-T-I-N-E, nicotine. Some say nicotine, but I say nicotine. Nicotine is a toxic substance which is like similar to a drug. Okay? It is a toxic substance which is similar to a drug. And we cannot see it when we take a tobacco leaf or whatever is there in the cigarette or cigar. We cannot see, we cannot identify which is nicotine, but it is believed to be a toxin which is colorless. Sometimes it is yellowish, oily liquid which is present in a tobacco leaf, and in a small dose it acts like a stimulant or a painkiller, but in a large doses, what it does? It blocks the function of the automatic nerves. It blocks the function of the automatic nerves, etc. And studies have shown that just for few milligrams of it, like 1 to 2 milligrams of nicotine, is more than enough to attract you. It's more than enough to pull you into addiction of using of tobacco. So when someone smokes, the nicotine is getting absorbed and it reaches through the lungs into our bloodstreams. And where then? How we smoke, how we eat tobacco? Smokers will do like this, and some who eat kindly, they'll put it inside like this and chew it directly. And there, when it goes into the lungs, from our airways to the lungs, you know that we have 2 lungs, okay? One from right, one from left. Then it enters to our lungs, and from our lungs to the bloodstreams, and then to the brain neurons. Directly to the brain neurons in just few seconds. In just few seconds. Nicotine travels so fast in our body, and in just few seconds, it doesn't take not even half an hour. In just few seconds, study says. So, when it happens like that, what will happen to our body? There is a physiological changes in our body. That changes, student, that changes. Some people might not understand it. Because why? You might never know. You feel, oh, I'm like the same. After taking few puffs of cigarette, I feel good, I feel the same, You cannot feel that change then and there. And what happened? What happened then? People began to have the pleasure of taking tobacco. They feel good. Oh, I'm normal as I am. Nothing happened to me, so let me try it again. That is the immediate pleasurable reaction. Please remember, student, the immediate pleasurable reaction of the nicotine happens in our body in just few minutes, from the lungs to the bloodstream to the brain, and it makes us feel good, which is just for temporary. Okay? The usage of tobacco has become widespread all over the world, and tobacco industries and commercialization had developed around the world since that time. Then after that, a series of major medical reports during the year 1950s and 60s had confirmed they don't know that it has bad effect. But in the year 1950, 60s onward, they became to know that they have confirmed also that it has a very, very bad effects, and it can cause serious health problems and disease to both active and passive smokers.